Morning guys, about 6 a.m. Getting back to the earlier starts here. Got probably a really short episode to do today. I'll show you what I have in mind. So some of you may remember when I deleted my what are the kneeling valves? I have all these caps and plugs and whatnot. So something that I noticed that happened yesterday, which is kind of a bummer, is the cab latching valve started leaking pretty extensively. So I wiped up most of the fluid that was on there, but I'm going to pull that sucker off there today and see if I can rebuild it with just some O-rings that I have sitting around. If not, I'll have to buy a kit to do the whole thing the right way, but let's get started on that. Alright guys, I found the problem. Look at that O-ring. Totally trashed. No wonder it was leaking. Somebody was mentioning something about the wiper seals being different. This is not very different from like a fuel injection seal. So it's just that and a little nylon washer. I'm sure you could source these from a hardware store if you went to like the custom hardware section. I know like a True Value would have something like that. I also noticed the spring was starting to rust, so I cleaned that up with a brass brush. I should have an O-ring sitting around here somewhere. There was also some paint flakes inside here, so I'm going to clean that up, but let me see what parts I can come up with to repair this. I'm sure I have something around here that'll do it, so here we go. Alright guys, I got it rebuilt. Brand new O-ring in there. The other one was brittle as macaroni, pre-cooked macaroni O-ring. I don't know what that's all about, but Dave Anderson, if you're watching, and I know you are because you always watch my videos, your cab leveling device is right there. The two Allen heads on the left, if I remember correctly. I think if you loosen those up, you can rotate that up and down. You'll figure it out, but that's where it's at. So I'm gonna lower the cab down here and see if that baby still leaks. Funny how every time I have something go wrong with this truck, I take out a Subaru bolt or a Subaru gasket or O-ring and it seems to work just fine. How am I gonna get a camera angle on this? I guess that's pretty good. Went up and down with it 3 times on the latch mechanism. The latch mechanism is working, and as you can see, no more leaks. So don't know what's in that $30 kit that would be any different from what I just did. I replaced a 2-cent O-ring that was in a Subaru gasket kit, engine gasket kit, and I'm sure you could get an O-ring at a hardware store that's about the same size. So that problem is solved. That was the easiest rebuild I've done on a component in my life. So if that says anything, don't be afraid to tackle that if that's something that's bothering you guys and you have a leak or something there. But other than that, like I said, it's gonna be a short episode. If you guys like this video, if you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, take care. See you next time. Bye bye.